I have a trained eye for Ulu Agwu. I see Ulu Agwu in a lot of things. I see Ulu Agwu in somebody who has ambition, yeah, who is trying to achieve something, taking an irrational jump. You see that this thing is what you have been building and building. Then you see that suddenly, somewhere in the universe opens your mind, which is still a part of the universe, opens that you can jump from here to here and you get that success that you want. But it's irrational. I see Ulu Agwu in young male singer twerking and over expressing a feminine side. I see Ulu Agwu in that. I see Ulu Agwu in you are young and you are driving and you run through a red light, like you run through a junction. What are you thinking? You think it's possible? Do you know the chances of that being possible? That somewhere in the universe a vacuum didn't just open and somebody just drops into that road at that point that you are running through so that you bash that person. What are the chances? Like, why did you think that was possible to do that? I see Ulu Agwu in artists murdering somebody. I see Ulu Agwu in that, in people that are upcoming. Like, most young kings have their head cut off. I see Ulu Agwu in that. I see Ulu Agwu in a lot of things. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Run from the